Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Shamin Arif and I am a student of Rehan College as a facilitator. आज हमारे साथ हमारी एक गेस्ट मौजूद
आपकी
हैं जिनका
आवाज़
नाम है
नहीं आ रही।
हानिया एहतिशाम। तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसी हैं आप हानिया?
वालेकुम अस्सलाम, मैं ठीक हूँ। आप बताएं, आप कैसी हैं?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। ठीक है हानिया, आप अपना शॉर्ट इंट्रो दीजिए ताकि हमारे देखने वाले आपके बारे में जान सकें।
Okay, my name is Hania and I'm a student of Rehan School or campus. I live in Karachi, Pakistan with my family.
ओके, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे टॉपिक। हाउ कैन एआई पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट? तो हानिया, मेरा आपसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, हाउ कैन एआई पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग फॉर एवरी स्टूडेंट?
AI can personalize learning by understanding each student ability, interest, learning speed, and weakness. It can analyze students' performing and provide lessons, exercise, and according to their individual needs. Instead of using the same learning method of everyone, AI creates a customized learning experience that helps students learn more effect- effectively.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, व्हाई इज पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग इम्पोर्टेंट इन मॉडर्न एजुकेशन? ओके, मैं दोबारा रिपीट करती हूँ अपना क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज व्हाई इज पर्सनलाइज लर्निंग इम्पोर्टेंट इन मॉडर्न एजुकेशन?
Personalized learning is important because every student learns difficultly. Some students need more practice while others can move faster. AI helps teachers and students by providing learning methods that match individual requirements, making education more effectively and en- engaging.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, हाउ डज एआई अंडरस्टैंड अ स्टूडेंट लर्निंग स्टाइल?
AI understands learning styles by analyzing student activities such as answer, progress, mistakes, and learning patterns. It identifies whenever students learn better through videos, readings, practice activities, or interactive method and suggest suitable resources.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, हाउ कैन एआई हेल्प वीक स्टूडेंट इम्प्रूव देयर लर्निंग?
AI can identify areas where students struggle and provide extra support, practice exercise, and explanations. It can give step-by-step guidance and allow students to learn at their own pace without feeling pressure. This
ओके,
helping students build confidence and improve their skills.
ठीक है, हाउ कैन एआई सपोर्ट टैलेंटेड स्टूडेंट्स?
AI can support talented students by providing advanced material, challenging tasks, and opportunity to explore deeper topics. It helps students continue growing instead of limiting them to basic learning level.
ओके, तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है आपसे, हाउ डज एआई प्रोवाइड इंस्टेंट फीडबैक टू स्टूडेंट्स?
AI can quickly check assignment and activities and provide immediate helpful feedback. Students can understand their mistakes, correct them, and improve their knowledge without waiting for long periods.
ओके, हाउ कैन एआई हेल्प टीचर्स क्रिएट पर्सनलाइज्ड लेसन्स?
AI can analyze student performing and help teacher design lessons according to students' need. Teachers can understand which topic require more attention and create better strategies for their classrooms.
ओके, हाउ कैन एआई इम्प्रूव स्टूडेंट एंगेजमेंट इन लर्निंग?
AI improve engagements by creating interactive lessons, personalized challenge, and interesting learning activities. When students receive content that match their interests and abilities, they become more motivated to learn.
Okay, how does AI help students learn at their own speed?
AI allows students to learn according to their personal pace. Students who need more time can repeat lessons, while faster learners can move toward advanced topics. This creates a more comfortable learning environment for everyone.
Okay, how can AI make online education more effective?
AI make online education more effective by providing personalization for smart recommendations and learning support. It has students get a learning experience similarly to having a personal tutor.
Okay, how can AI identify student strength and weakness?
AI analyzes student performance, test results, and learning behavior to identify strengths and weakness. This information helps create better learning plans and improve academic progress.
Okay, how can AI act as a personal learning assistant?
AI can ask a personal learning assignment by answering questions, explaining difficult concepts, suggestion, resources, and help students practice. It provides support anytime and helps students continue learning outside the classroom.
Okay, how will AI change the future of education?
AI will change education by making learning more personalized and intelligent. Students will receive customized education experience and teachers will use AI tools to improve teaching better.
Okay, next question है आपसे how can AI help student overcome learning difficulties?
AI can require learning difficult and provide special teachers additional exercise and alternative explanations. It helps students understand topics in difficult way until they achieve better understanding.
Okay, how can AI encourage independent learning?
AI encourages independent learning by helping students find information, practice skills, and solve problems on their own. Students become more responsible and confident learners.
Okay, how can AI make education accessible for all students?
AI make education accessible by providing learning support to students from different backgrounds and locations. It can offer translations uh, and personalized resources for difficult learning needs.
Okay, how can AI help students prepare for the future careers?
AI helps AI helps students to develop future skills by providing personalized courses related to their interests and career goals. It requires students toward learning skills that can valuable in modern industries.
Okay, how does AI improve student motivation?
AI improve motivation by setting personalized goals, tracking progress, and providing encouraged feedback. The students feel more confident when they see their improvement and achievements.
Okay, how can AI student help become better problem solvers?
AI encourages problem solving by providing challenges, real life examples, and interactive activities. Students learn to analyze situations, think creativity and find solutions.
Okay. How can AI support lifelong learning?
AI supports lifelong learning by helping people continue education at any age. It recommends courses and resources based on personal goals, allowing individuals to keep improving their knowledge.
Okay. How can AI help student learn difficult subjects?
AI can simplify difficult subjects by explaining concepts in difficult way, providing example and offer practice activity. It helps students understand complex topics more easily.
Okay. How can AI improve communication between the student and teachers?
AI can improve communication by providing learning reports, progressive update, and recommendations. Teachers can better understand students and provide more effective guidance.
Okay. How can AI reduce the education gap?
AI can reduce the education gap by providing quality learning resources to students who may not have access to traditional education opportunity. It allows more people.
ओके तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा हाउ कैन एआई क्रिएट अ बेटर क्लासरूम एनवायरनमेंट
AI creates a better classroom environment by helping teachers understand students' need and making lessons more engaging. It supports both teacher and students in achieving better learning outcomes.
ओके व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ एआई बेस्ड पर्सनलाइज्ड एजुकेशन
The benefits include better understanding, improved performance, increased motivation, and equal opportunity. Students receive education designing specifically for their needs.
हाउ कैन एआई हेल्प स्टूडेंट सेट लर्निंग गोल्स
I can analyze students' progress and suggest related goals. It helps students create learning plans and track their improvement over time.
ओके हाउ कैन एआई मेक लर्निंग मोर क्रिएटिव
AI makes learning creative by providing new tools, ideas, and interactive experience. Students can explore topics in innovative way and develop creativity.
ओके हाउ कैन एआई सपोर्ट टीचर्स इंस्टेड ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग them
AI supports teacher by reducing repetitive tasks and providing useful information about students. Teachers remain important because they provide emotional support, creativity, and human connection.
what challenges can ai based personalized learning face
Challenges include privacy, constant technology access, and the need for proper training. It is important to use AI responsibly and ensure that technology supports students
okay
positively.
what is the future of ai power personalized learning
The future of AI powered learning will be more intelligent and students focused. AI will help create education system where every student receive the support and opportunity they need to succeed.
ओके तो हानिया लास्ट में आप हमारे व्यूवर्स को कोई एडवाइस देना चाहें या उनसे कुछ कहना चाहें
नहीं
ओके ठीक है इंशाल्लाह बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हानिया कि आपने हमें अपना कीमती टाइम दिया और हमारे साथ इंफॉर्मेशनल टॉपिक पे बात की थैंक यू सो मच
वेलकम
इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू में मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट गेस्ट के साथ तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़
अल्लाह हाफिज़